Stacking up today, Todd Bubba Horwitz joins me now to talk about the market action and how he's playing it. And wonderful to have you on the show.
Good morning. It's great to be here.
We've been watching the market reaction to really kind of the debate has played out here a bit. On Monday, we saw a sell-off on financial stocks and healthcare stocks going into the debate.
The financials are under a lot of heat right here. You know, we made the decision in 2008 that some of them were too big to fail. Now you have this decision going on with Deutsche Bank in Germany right now, and Merkel says she's not bailing them out. So there's a lot of stuff going on here. In the meantime, that's putting a tremendous amount of pressure on Deutsche Bank. Throw in Wells Fargo's little deal with their opening too many accounts and the employees.
Little deal.
Well, and the employees stealing from the shareholders, besides the clients, you've got a mess. Now, when you look at markets, you want to try to buy them or sell them when they're at either overvalued or distressed levels. I think right here you look at the financial sector. Based on the market are still kind of higher. We're still in a range and only 2.5% from the all-time high. So I think you look to buy financials. I think you can look at Wells Fargo. You can look at JP Morgan. You can look at any one of those out of the bunch that are down among a support level, because if we're going to see improvement and if you believe in all the economy, then financials should pick up and it should be a very good value play, plus they all pay decent dividends.
Are you doing an option strategy?
You know, I find it very challenging to trade options in these types of names because they're typically so light in volatility that, you know, you could look to maybe sell some spreads, or if you're a put seller, you would maybe sell some puts. But they're hard plays to make because there's really not enough air or fluff in these to really get into it. Even with the down move, we're not seeing a real big expansion of volatility, so it's really hard for me. I'd be more looking at either selling the stock straight out or creating some sort of synthetic, but ending up with ownership of the stock.
All right, you're also watching the cattle market.
Oh boy, I'm choking. I need the Heimlich for the cattle market.
No.
I own a little bit too. I own a few too many. It's amazing how much pressure the agricultural space is under right now. You know, we liked it last week, and they continue to hammer and push down on this market. Now, you can say it's got something to do with the dollar. Nobody knows, but supposedly economics are good, everything's good, but yet we're not selling any beef, and they're building up too much supply, but it really has probably more to do with the dollar and what's going on, and eventually they will find a bottom as well. I'm a buyer there. I'm still a buyer in that space, but it's getting a little painful right now.
You're doubling down.
I'm doubling down. I have me a double stack of ribs.
I'm with you on that.
Hey.
Thank you.
Thanks
for coming on the show.
Great to be here.